Now, from these four ions, we have been asked which of these will not be able to displace hydrogen. All right, we're asked which of them will not be able to displace hydrogen. Now, if you check sodium ion, calcium ion, and iron, they are above hydrogen in the electrochemical series, while copper ion is below hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Because of this, the elements above hydrogen, they are going to displace hydrogen in any reaction at all. Because of that, they are going to displace hydrogen. And for copper, it is below hydrogen. Because of this, hydrogen is going to displace copper. All right, it is going to displace copper because